The Lao villagers resettled for the construction of the China-Laos Railway are moving into new houses. A Chinese firm, NORINCO International Cooperation Limited, has built the resettlement village in Xiang in Gayan district of Luang Prabang province, some 220 kilometers north of the Lao capital Vientiane. Lao Minister of Public Works and Transport Viengsavat Sifandun said that the success of the Buam Aor resettlement village project has brought well-being to the village. Village chief Thongvan Vatharnaphone said in the past, some villagers had to live in grass huts, but now, their cement houses are very strong and much better. The China-Laos Railway connects Kunming in China's Yunnan with Vientiane. Launched in December 2021, it helps boost trade between China and Southeast Asian nations.